Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about one of those birds where the male and female look completely different. The Montagu's harrier. The Montagu's harrier is a migratory bird of prey of the harrier family. Its common name commemorates the British naturalist George Montegu. The Montagu's harrier is a long-distant migrant. Birds from Eurasia spend the winter in sub-Saharan Africa, while those from the eastern part of the range migrate to the Indian subcontinent. Male pale grey overall with a black wingtips. Note narrow black bar on upper wing. Female is mostly pale yellow-brown. Upper parts are uniform dark brown except for the white upper tail coverts. The Montagu's harrier can be confused with several species that exist within the same range. The most similar are the hen harrier, the pale-eyed harrier, and even gulls. Favors heathland, grassland, arable fields, marshes. Mainly seen in flight, quartering fairly low with wings raised in shallow V. Flight rather buoyant. Their calls are like locally named Montegu Harikussa. I have not seen the Montagu's harrier. Montagu's harrier can be seen throughout Sri Lanka. One such place is Ella. Ella is a very popular tourist attraction in Sri Lanka. One of the most visited places are a 9-arch bridge that looks like something from Harry Potter, a hike to Little Andam's Peak,